Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously for me it's open and visible, but if you're capturing something else, obviously open it up so it's visible on your screen, and from there simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a vibration and then this pop-up right here giving you the first time around just a quick information about the two options that are accessible right here. So we have tap to make a scrollable screenshot. Obviously it's not accessible on a home screen because I cannot scroll down on it, but good examples of this feature where you can utilize it would be, for instance, Instagram, where it can just continuously keep scrolling down. And below that we have send, so just a share option. Now this pop-up will only show up once. If I capture another screenshot, you can see that it doesn't give me that info anymore. It stays here and then disappears after like 2 seconds. So from now on, once you capture your screenshots, you can locate them in your Photos application right over here, and they will be visible under the newest time, so today when you captured them, but you can also quickly find them by going into library, and in here we should have screenshot folder, but for some reason we don't. That's kind of weird. So it looks like you're gonna have to deal with the fact that screenshots get saved into camera, which is absolutely, I'm not gonna lie, I think stupid. Normally almost any other phone creates a screenshot folder where you will have only the screenshots, but here if you capture normal photos and screenshots, they will be in the same location, so it might be a little bit of a mess to try to find it later on, but nonetheless you can find it in your camera and also under photos. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.